So this week we are going to be covering session state. And as you guys know, on the web, our browsing session is stateless, but you can save data as session data. And we've seen that in other languages. It is also available in ASP.NET Core. And so you will be learning how to do that. There are a couple apps that you're going to be working with in Chapter 9. The one from the book I'm giving you to download. We'll take a look at this pig game later in the lecture. But your hands-on are going to be working within the bag and then a starter app from the textbook authors. So you want to make sure you complete the hands-on exercises because those are your assignments. And when you are done, there should be 2 files that you need to, or projects that you need to put up on GitHub. And then you will be submitting the links to those projects here. In the bag, you're going to revise so that instead of using, view bag and temp data and all of that, it's going to be using session data instead. And then you are going to also be working with an NFL starter provided by the textbook authors. Okay, so that is what you are going to be turning in. Once you finish with that assignment, then you are going to want to complete the unit test. There are 40 true, false, and multiple questions. And they are worth 1 point each, so it's 40 points. You will be allowed to take the test 3 times, and it will save your best score. The test does open at midnight this Sunday. So it should be open all day Sunday. Okay, so it's 12 o'clock a.m. is when it opens. And then after you complete the test, you are going to participate in the discussion. The discussion exercise is a really easy 10 points. Basically, you're going to give an example of something that you use that includes good code and something that includes poor code. For the poor code, how does interacting with the code make you feel? What could you do to improve it? And for the quality code, how does interacting with that make you feel? And is there any room for improvement there? Reply to 2 of your classmates' posts, and that is the discussion. If you guys run into problems or have questions this week, please let me know.